206. Out of the 294 seats in the West Bengal Assembly, that is the number that defines the new political landscape. To understand the weight of that tally, we have to look at the state's political map. West Bengal is divided into exactly 294 assembly constituencies, each represented by a single seat. The math of governance here is fixed. To secure a majority and form a government, a party must win at least 148 of those seats. On May 4, 2026, the Election Commission of India began releasing the final data from counting centers, revealing a massive shift in the Assembly's composition. The incoming tallies showed a result that did more than just clear the halfway mark. It pushed the winning bloc deep into territory rarely seen in the state's history. When a party moves this far past the 148-seat requirement, it gains a level of numerical strength that physically alters how the Assembly functions, moving from a simple majority to a massive legislative buffer. The All India Trinamool Congress, which had long held a dominant position in the state, saw its footprint significantly reduced. The final count left the AITC with just 81 seats, relegating them to second place. The landslide victory left no room for minor voices, squeezing the AGIP down to 2 seats and the AISF to only 1. The Indian National Congress, once a primary force in the region, saw its presence nearly erased, securing only 2 seats. And the Communist Party of India, Marxist, which governed the state for decades, was reduced to a single representative in the entire assembly. The consolidation of seats between the 2 largest parties effectively pushed smaller organizations to the margins, leaving them with no mathematical influence over the House. While the other regional parties shrank, the Bharatiya Janata Party grew into the space they left behind. Their final count reached 206 seats, occupying nearly 70% of the legislative floor. Look at the distance between that result and the 148-seat majority line. They hold a 58-seat overflow beyond what is required to govern. This 58-seat buffer is more than just a margin of victory. It means that even if the entire opposition voted as a single bloc, they would still be nearly 60 votes short of stopping any government proposal. This gap also provides total stability against internal dissent. The party could lose dozens of its own members in a vote and still maintain its hold on power. A majority of this scale changes the nature of governance, allowing the ruling party to set the state's agenda without the need for compromise or negotiation with other blocs. While these numbers will be formally certified through Form 20, the administrative reality for West Bengal is already clear. This is where that data becomes law, the Legislative Assembly Hall. Inside this chamber, the sheer weight of 206 seats means future sessions will likely move forward with a speed and consistency that smaller majorities cannot achieve. The Trinamool Congress's era of control has been replaced by a new, lopsided balance of power. The May 2026 election will be remembered as the point where the state's legislative process moved into a period of total dominance by a single political force.